father was in the Army, my brother was in the Navy, my uncle was in the Navy, just a lot of military in my family, and I wanted to serve my country. I'm Jeremy Kinley. I was an infantryman in the U.S. Army, and now I work for Semper Solaris as a quality assurance agent. When I was in the Army, I learned discipline, integrity, respect, and honor, what it means to be an adult, as well as how your actions affect other people. I came to San Diego, California to help start a church. I looked around, had a few jobs here and there, but Semper Solaris was the best fit. I knew this was the place I wanted to be. This was a place that I could have more than a job. I could have a career, I could have so much more than most civilian jobs offer. Semper Solaris is really similar to the military in general. The way there's a chain of command. One of the owners was a former Marine Corps captain. He talks to you with a directness, but always respectful. The leadership's incredible, and the people that you work with, you get to know them on a deeper level. We work together. We're constantly lifting each other up. Part of my job is to serve people. If there's anything that they need from us, making sure everything's taken care of, making sure they had a great experience with their consultant. My favorite part about working at Semper is about 2 weeks after I started here, we got an email about what they were doing in the community. It was incredible. It made me feel like, all right, this is it. This is the place I want to be, because they were actually helping other veterans out in the community. That hit me deep. That really did something for me, and I knew this was the place I wanted to be.